Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create this cube by using Blender. First of all, click on File, then choose New, then choose General. After that, a cube will show up. Go to the edit mode by pressing Tab, then add a loop cut by pressing Ctrl R, then left click, then you can choose any place to put it. So we want to put it in the middle by pressing right click. Then choose these vertices, then press shift and left click and choose these vertices, then choose just these two vertices and keep these without choosing them, then press and delete from the keyboard and delete the vertices. This line will show up. After that, specify the line and go to the modifier and choose screw. Now you can see that screw is rotated in the origin point by creating such as a cylinder. So if I move it right or left, it's gonna be scaled from the origin point. After that, choose the upper vertices and move it down to here. Then go to Warframe, then press 1 in the keypad. No, I don't want it in the middle, so press 3 in the numpad. Now it's good because it's in the corner. Then click on E to extrude. If I go to the left side, it's gonna extrude like this, but I want to be internal, so I'm gonna keep this E to extrude E, then go up to there, then E to extrude, then E to extrude, E to extrude, E to extrude, E to extrude, E to extrude. Now go to the matte view shading. Now this is the cube. I can modify it by click on the vertices and I can move it like this in the x-axis or y-axis. So I can keep it like this. I can modify it or edit it by pressing by choosing vertices. I can choose these three vertices and make it a little bit smaller, and this one and this one, and keep it this like this, and I can choose and modify and edit it the way I want. So let's say this is the cube. After that I want to make a thickness to this by choosing solidify and make thickness 0.03. It's good. Now I can choose subdivision to make it more soft. So go from the edit mode to object mode, and now let's add a plane. Add a plane and press G then Z to move it to the Z axis, then press S to scale, then go to the edit mode and choose the edge select and choose this edge and press E to extrude, then Z to the Z axis and make it like this. Then choose this line and press Ctrl B to make it like this, like rectangle, but choose the wheel to make it like a filleted space. Then go from the edit mode to the object mode, and now let's choose this one and make a material by choosing a glass BSDF. Now go to the render. It won't show anything. Go from Eve to cycle, and this is the cube. So let's change the position of the camera by choosing the camera, then go here or press N, then view, then choose camera to view. Now press N, now press 0 from the numpad, and I can specify the location of the camera by moving the mouse wheel. Now this is the final result of our design. I can move it down a little bit like this, and this is the design. Thanks for watching.